We are at the Ibni Resort, Coorg. Let's do the room tour. This is the living room. We have a couch over here, complimentary fruit, coffee place with some cookies and stuff. So this is, you can call it a work table or a study table, and you have this very good view here. This is a small washroom. There's nothing fancy about this. Let us go to the main part. So this is the bedroom. From the bedroom, we have the view to our private pool. And there's a small sit-out area. This is a temperature controlled private pool. And let us go check out the washroom. We have a jacuzzi right next to the temperature controlled pool. And this pool gives the feel of an infinity pool. I touch the water, it's decently hot, which is perfect for this weather. That's it. Thank you.